common size for a double bowl kitchen sink for your house. Dear friends, whether you're redesigning a kitchen or just improving your washing up area, many of us may consider opting for a double sink. Having two sinks side by side can make the dish cleaning process easier and give your kitchen a more high-end feel. But before deciding on a double bowl kitchen sink, it's important to think about sizes and dimensions. You want to be sure your double bowl sink fits properly in your kitchen and that you have enough space for it to be comfortably used. Double sink pros and cons. According to kitchen experts, many find double bowl sinks very convenient for washing up. Dishes can be washed on one side and rinsed on the other. Double bowl sinks are also handy for food preparation. This makes them particularly convenient for people with a large volume of dishwashing, for example, those without a dishwasher at home. The main drawbacks to double bowl sinks regard their spatial limitations. Not only do double bowl sinks require a large amount of counter space, but they may also end up leaving limited space within the sinks themselves. By splitting a sink between two bowls, you can end up with narrower and shallower sinks. This can make double bowl sinks problematic when washing larger items, like Dutch ovens or baking sheets. Double bowl sink dimensions. If you have a particular space and size in mind, you can opt for a custom-sized double bowl kitchen sink. The problem is, a custom-designed kitchen sink can be very expensive. If you're on a budget, you will always be better opting for a standard-sized double bowl sink. There are a few different options out there, so you can choose the dimensions that best suit you. There is a huge variety of different size options for single and double bowl sinks, meaning there's sure to be an option that suits your kitchen's needs. Alongside the width and length of your sink, you should also consider things like the depth and style of the mount. Double bowl sink size variations. Double bowl sinks vary in width depending on the chosen sizes of the individual bowls. According to experts, they can range up to 48 inches in width, compared to the single bowl sink's 23 inches. They can sometimes have two bowls of the same size or have one larger and one smaller bowl. Double bowl sinks can vary between 8 and 10 inches in depth. The deeper your sink, the easier it'll be to wash larger items. If your kitchen is smaller and counter space is at a premium, it may be more useful to opt for a deeper single bowl sink, rather than trying to squeeze in a double. The vast majority of sinks are 22 inches in length, in accordance with the standard size of most countertops. If you have specially designed countertops, though, you may need to consider opting for a different sink length to make it fit. There is a wide variety of different standard size double sinks already on the market. Make sure you're certain of the size and dimensions that are right for you to choose the perfect fit. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.